A warm good morning to everybody. Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn the addition of integer using a number line. Let us use a number line to find the sum of the integer. Let's take a simple example, 2 plus 3. Now we know that addition of 2 plus 3 is 5, but how to show on the number line? So draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here your first number is 2. So take a jump from 0 to 2. Right? Second number is 3. So you have to take a jump 3 times or take it 3 moves to the right side. 1, 2, 3. You are at the 5. So answer of this question is 5. Right? Your first number is 2. So you had taken a jump from 0 to 2 directly. Then plus 3 is there. Plus means we are moving to the right side. 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. So you will reach at the 5. So answer of this question is 5. Students, two important thing I will tell you. When plus sign is there, you have to move to the right side on number line. When minus sign is there, you have to move to the left side on the number line. Get it clear? When plus sign will come, you have to move to the right side, and minus sign will come, you have to move to the left side. Now first example was 2 plus 3. Take a second example, that is 3 plus 1. Right? So here plus sign is there, so we will take the right side move. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So your first number is 3. So take a jump from 0 to 3 directly. Now plus 1 is there, plus sign is there. That's why we are moving to the right side. 1 move. You reach at the 4th position. So minus 3 plus 1 means 4. Now this was example when both numbers are the positive one. Now what about when one number is positive or one number is negative? Take example minus 3 plus 2. Here first number is minus 3, second number is plus 2. Draw the number line. Your first number is minus 3. So draw the number line till minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This side 1, 2. Now your first number is minus 3. So take a jump from 0 to minus 3. Now plus is there, that's why I take a right side 2 moves, because plus 2 is, that's why plus means right side 2 moves. 1, 2. So you are at the minus 1 position. So answer of this question is minus 1. Take similar example in which one number is negative and one number is positive. Now here 5 is minus and 3 is positive 1. Again draw the number line. Zero, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now first number is minus 5, so take a jump from 0 to minus 5 directly. Now plus 3 is there, plus means right side we have to take a move, 3 moves, 1, 2, 3. You reach at minus 2 position, so your answer is minus 2. We saw the kind of two example. The first example in which both numbers were positive, 2 plus 3 was first example, and we had seen the second example, that is minus 3, minus 5 and plus 3. Kind of example in which both numbers are positive. In second example, one number is negative, one number is positive 1. So just remember, when plus sign will come, go to the right side. When minus sign will come, go to the left side. Get it clear? Now take similar examples like minus 3 and plus 3. Now both numbers are opposite to each other, so obviously answer will come 0. So your first number is minus 3, so draw the number line till minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now first number is minus 3, take a direct move from 0 to minus 3. Now plus is there, that's why take a move to the right side 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You will reach at 0. So answer of this question will be the 0. Minus 3 and plus 3 both are the opposite numbers, that's why answer is 0. Now without number line we can solve. Minus 4 plus 4 equals to 0. Minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 equals to 0, because here both, in every question both numbers are opposite to each other, right? So without number line we can tell the answer of such a kind of question. Now kids, some questions are there in exercise 5.2. See the question number first. Question number first is, here is a question. See, yes, use the number line and write the integer values, right? Use the number line and write the integer value. Here your first question is 5 more than 2, second is 2 more than minus 2, third one is 4 more than minus 72, then D is 3 less than 2, 5 is E is 5 less than 0 and F is 2 less than minus 5. Here you can observe the two words are continuously coming, that is more and less, right? More and less. So more means plus and less means minus, right? So for the plus we are going to the right side and for the less we are going to the left side. I repeat, the words are coming here, more and less. More means plus and for the plus we go to the right side on the number line. For the less word, less means minus. So for the minus we goes to the left side on the number line. Yes. So your first question was 5 more than 2, right? 5 more than 2. In this question you have to use the second number first, right? Your second number is 2. Here you can see 5 is also positive, 2 is also positive, right? And more means plus, so addition you have to do here. So simply you can say 5 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, nothing but the 7, right? So your answer will come 7, but we have to show by using the number line. Now see, in this kind of question we are going to use your second number first. Your second number is 2 here. So first draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I already told you, take a second number first. Your second number is 2, so take a jump from 0 to 2. Now more means plus, plus means right side 5 moves. More means plus, plus means right side 5 moves. So take a 5 moves to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach at the 7. So answer of this question is 7, right? Yes. Now second example is 2 more than minus 2. More means plus, and now I already told you, kind of example you have to select the second number first. Here second number is minus 2. So draw the number line till minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, this side 1, 2. Okay. Now second number is minus 2. So take a jump from 0 to minus 2. More means plus. Plus means right side move you have to take. How many moves? 2 moves. So right side 2 moves, 1, 2. So you will reach at the 0. So answer of this question is 0. Now see the C question. C question is 4 more than 72. Minus 72, right? 4 more than minus 72. Now kids, till minus 72 the number line you cannot draw in your notebook. So you can solve this question in a such way. Before that, understand the question. 4 more means plus. Plus means right side move you have to take, right? Plus means right side move you have to take, and your second number is minus 72, right? So draw here, right here minus 72. Now right side you have to take a move, 4 moves, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So see here, this is your first move, second, third and fourth move, right? Fourth one move. Now you can assign the number minus 71, minus 70, minus 69 and this is minus 68. So answer of this question is minus 68. I repeat the question again. The question was 4 more than minus 72. Till minus 72 the number line is little bit difficult to draw. So we can solve kind of question like this way. Minus 72 we are assuming, considering here second number. So minus 72, more means addition, right? Addition means or plus means we are moving to the right side. Here you have to take a right side 4 moves, right? So I will take 4 moves, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will assign here number now. Minus 71, minus 70, minus 69 and minus 68. Your fourth move accomplished at minus 68. So answer of this question is minus 68. Right. Now let's take one example of less. Till now we had seen the example for the more one. Now consider the example 3 less than 2. 3 less than 2. Okay. Now second number is 2. First number is 3. Less means minus. Minus means left move. Hope you get clear the concept of plus minus, more and less. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Now see, a kind of example we are using the second number first. Second number is 2, so I will take a jump from 0 to 2 directly. Now question was 3 less than 2. Here less what come? Less means we are moving to the left side. So take a 3 moves to the left side from the 2. 1, 2, 3. So you will reach at the minus 1 position. So your answer of this question is minus 1. Okay, I will take one more example that is not from exercise. Kind of a example I will take. 5 less than 3. Okay. So less word come here, that's why I have to move to the left side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, right? Here see, second number we are choosing first, so I will take a jump from 0 to 3 directly, and first number is 5 here. Less word is here, less means left side I have to take 5 moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I reach at the minus 2 position. So answer of this question is minus 2. Right. Now we will see the question number 2. The question number 2 is use the number line. We'll see here question. Yes, here we get the question number 2. Yeah, use the number line and find the sum of the following. Same way we have to do the question as we have already done in question number 1. We had drawn the number line and moves, left moves, right moves, and we get the answer. Same way we have to solve this question, right? Now the first example is minus 3 minus 4. Let's see. Minus 3 plus in bracket minus 4. Yes, this is our question. Now see here, both numbers are negative. 3 is also negative integer and 4 is also negative integer. So both time we have to take a left moves, right? So draw one number line. Here no need to go right side. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. Now here first number is minus 3. So take a jump from 0 to minus 3 directly. Okay. Now second number is minus 4. Minus means left side 4 move. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach at the minus 7. So answer of this question is minus 7. I repeat the solution. Now both numbers are negative here. 3 is also negative, 4 is also negative. For the negative, we are taking the moves to the left side. I repeat the same question again. Minus 3 plus of minus 4. You will get clear. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8, right? So first number is minus 3, so take a move directly on minus 3. Second number is minus 4, minus means left move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will reach at the minus 7. So answer of this question is minus 7, right? This was a kind of question when both numbers are negative 1. We will see again kind of question. Question number B is minus 2 plus of minus 7, right? Same way both numbers are negative again. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. Okay. Your first number is minus 2. So take a direct move on minus 2. Second number is minus 7. Minus means left move 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will reach at the minus 9 position. So your answer is minus 9 in this case. Till now we had seen when both numbers are negative 1. Now what about when number is 1? One number is positive and second number is negative 1. Or either one is positive, one is negative 1. So see the C example here. The question is 9 plus of minus 11. Now see student, 9 is positive and 11 is negative. Means one is positive number and one is negative. Kind of question how to solve? Same way. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now see, first number is 9, that is positive 1. So take a direct move from 0 to 9. Now second number is minus 11. Minus means left move 11. 11 left moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you reach at the minus 2. So answer of this question is minus 2, right? See again, 9 is positive 1. So first number is 9. So take a jump from 0 to 9. Second number is minus 11, it is minus, so that's why 11 left moves. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So you will reach at the minus 2 position. So answer of this question is minus 2. Let's see the kind of example again. 3 plus of minus 5. Okay, it is simple example. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, this side minus 1 minus 2. Now first number is 3 here. Okay, so take a jump from 0 to 3. Yes. Second number is minus 5, it is minus, so take a left 5 moves. 1 2 3 4 5, you reach at the minus 2 position. So your answer is minus 2. These are the kind of example we have to solve. Now see student, we will take some more example for the practice, so you will get clear the idea. Now how to add minus 1 plus of minus 2, right? First number is minus 2, here both numbers are negative, so both time you have to take a left moves. So 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. First number is minus 1, so take a move minus 1. Second number is minus 2, minus means left side 2 moves, 1 2. So you will reach at the minus 3 position. So your answer is minus 3 in this case, right? Now see the second example, that is minus 5 plus 4. Now 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Here first number is minus 5, so take a jump on the minus 5 first. Second number is plus 4, plus means right moves 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So you will reach at the minus 1. So answer of this question is minus 1, right? Take a second example. Now see the of example from the question number 2. Minus 3 plus 1 plus 2, right? Now see here one number is negative and two numbers are positive. 3 is negative, 1 and 2 are the positive one. Very simple example it is. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, here 1 2 3. Now first number is minus 3, so take a jump on minus 3 directly. Now second number is plus 1, plus means right 1 move. Okay, we had to take here 1 move. Now plus 2, plus 2 means 2 times right move, 1 2. So you reach at the 0 position. So answer of this question is 0. Let's take another example. Example G. Minus 5 plus of minus 3 and plus 4. Here you can see the both numbers are negative 1, minus 5 and minus 3 both are negative 1 and 4 is positive, means 2 times you have to take a left move for the minus 5 and minus 3 left move and 4 right move. Okay, draw the number line. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 and minus 8. Okay, now first is minus 5, so take a direct jump from 0 to minus 5. Now second number is minus 3, so take a jump 3 times left move, 1 2 3. Now third number is plus 4, plus means right side 4 moves, so 1 2 3 4. So you will reach at the minus 4 position. So answer of this question is minus 4. These are the way to solve the kind of example. Let's take simple example now. It is not from the exercise. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 2. Okay. See here, draw the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Dear kids, why I choose the negative number line? Maybe the question for you. Here see your biggest number is minus 6. So it is necessary to draw the negative number line till 6. If minus is there, again you can increase. By the practice you will get the number line till which number you can draw. Now first number is minus 6. So take a jump from 0 to minus 6 directly. Now second number is plus 2. Plus means right side 2 moves. 1, 2. Right? Now you reach at the minus 4 position. Now again third number is minus 2. Minus means left side 2 move. Again you can move 1, 2. So again you reach at the minus 6 position. So your answer in this case is minus 6. Hope you get clear idea now. So let's summarize today's topic. Today's topic was addition of the integers using the number line. Here one more word will come to the addition, and for the addition or when the number is plus, go to the right side on the number line. When less word will come to the minus or subtraction, and for it go to the left side on your number line. This concept will help you a lot to solve a kind of example, right? So take some more examples. Like minus 3 plus 5. Now see how to select the number line. Here first number is minus 3, so minus 3 is required here. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? Now take a 5 moves to the right side. Why right? Because plus sign is there. So see now shortcut one method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now assign the number. After 0, 1 is come. After that 2. So your answer is 2 in this case. Okay. We'll see the kind of example again. Now students, I am telling you the shortcut trick or how to identify till which number the number line should be. So second question is plus 3 minus 5. Simple, just I am exchanging the sign here. So first number is now plus 3, right? So see now 0, 1, 2, 3. Now second number is minus 5. Minus means left side 5 move. 1. Before that take a move. First number is plus 3, that's why take a jump from 0 to 3, right? Now minus 5 is there, right? So left side 5 moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, second. So after 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So your answer this case will come minus 2, right? Now the third question. Minus 6 plus 8, right? Here your first number is minus 6. So minus 6 is necessary. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and this is minus 6, right? So first is minus 6. So take a jump from 0 to minus 6 directly. Now it is a plus 8. Plus means right side 8 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is first and second. Now after 0, 1, 2. So you reach at the second 2 position. So answer of this question is 2. This way you can also solve the number line addition question. Now guys, we'll take some more example. See the next question. -3 plus of -6. Here both numbers are negative. Till now we had seen one is positive, one is negative, like 1. Now see the second one. Here both numbers are negative, so left moves you have to take. So if both numbers are negative, do the addition. 6 plus 3, 9, right? And common sign is negative here, so your answer must be the -9. See how? Suppose we don't know, the answer is -9, right? So see, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. Right. Now first number is -3. So take a jump from 0 to -3. Again -6 is there. Second number -6 means left side 6 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So you reach at the -9 position. So answer of your question is -9. Right. Again we can see one example. +3 -7, right? So your first number is 3 here. So draw the 3 on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Now take a first move on the 3. 0 to 3. Now -7 is there. Minus means left side 7 moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So I get this one, this position and this, right? So 4, -1, -2, -3 and -4. So you reach at the -4 position. So answer of this question is -4. This way you can solve the question from the exercise 5.2. Hope you get to today's topic. Good day kids.